पण होईल काय चाललंय. ओके, आवाज येतो ना सगळ्यांना? मानसी, माझा आवाज येतो काय? रितेश, आवाज येतोय का? स्क्रीन दिसते का सांग?
येतोय सर.
ओके, ठीक आहे. लास्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट आपण उद्या अजून एक एक्सपेरिमेंट घ्यायचा आहे परत एकदा ट्रिगरचा. ट्रिगरसाठी एक छोटे 2 प्रोग्राम तयार करतो मी, म्हणजे तुम्हाला ट्रिगरचे जे आपण गेल्या वेळी कन्फ्युजन झालं ते सॉर्ट आउट होईल. आता जो एक्सपेरिमेंट आहे इट इज व्हेरी सिम्पल एक्सपेरिमेंट. ऑलरेडी वी हॅव डिस्कस इट इन द चॅप्टर नंबर 2 और चॅप्टर नंबर 3. आपण हे ऑलरेडी एकदा डिस्कस केलेलं आहे आणि त्यावेळी बहुतेक त्याच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये तुम्हाला बघून मिळेल DCL कमांड्स. ओके, तर DCL कमांड्स आपण चॅप्टर नंबर 2 मध्ये बघितलेले आहेत आणि त्याचे डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन आहेत. क्रिएट युजर, ग्रँट टू द परमिशन टू द युजर अँड रिवोक. Okay, so how to create a user? First, you must be an administrator. Then and then you can create the user in the any DBMS system. Okay, then you can grant some privileges and you can revoke some privilege. Grant means you can allow, and revoke means you can take out the permission from that specific user. Okay, also you can create a role. Okay, role means a specific task can be done by the specific object. That object may be a role. Okay, so there are user, maybe a physical user who has a username and password, and a role means a specific user has a specific role who do the specific activity. Okay, so we can create a user as well as a role. Okay, simple demonstration. So in your manual they have given you a detail about a create user command. So create user and then username identified by a password. So that is the syntax of create user command. And also you can have a syntax of a grant. Okay, so this commands syntax already we have discussed, and we have a video on this commands, DCL commands. If you want to revise this, then go to the experiment chapter number 2 and watch the video again. Then you can have a same concept and you can नो डाऊट इन युअर माइंड. ओके, जर तुम्हाला डाऊट असतील तर तुम्ही परत एकदा तो व्हिडिओ बघा. तर हे आपल्याला 10 कमांड्स रन करून बघायचे आहेत. ओके, आणि रन केल्यानंतर ह्या 10 कमांड्स जशा आहेत तसेच रिलेव्हंट खाली क्वेश्चन दिलेले आहेत. देर आर 9 क्वेश्चन्स रिलेव्हंट टू युअर एक्सपेरिमेंट. सो वी आर demonstrating these commands and then you can easily solve the 9 questions below that experiment. So you want to create a Jyoti user. So create user Jyoti identified by MIT Poly. So MIT Poly is a password, create user is a command, Jyoti is username, identified by MIT Poly. Okay, so I have done this. Okay, so I have created a create user Jyoti identified by a password BSIT. Okay, so if I run this, already that Jyoti user is created. If I want to create another user Jyoti1, जर ऑलरेडी युजर क्रिएट असेल तर ते युजर क्रिएट होणार नाही. Jyoti1 युजर क्रिएट करतो. So user is created now. Okay, so it is created using create user, username identified by password. Okay, password may be anything, but there must be a single character. Okay, then if you want to grant a specific permissions, okay, so system permission like a create table, create view to the specific user, then grant create table, grant create table. Okay, then you must have comma separated by that. Okay, so create table, comma, create create view. Okay, create table, create view to Jyoti. So Jyoti is user and we are granting create table and create view to the Jyoti. Now Jyoti can log into your system and he can create a table, also he can create a view. So when this statement is processed, statement processed means permissions are granted. Okay, so this is very simple. If permissions are not granted, then there will be an error. Okay, next statement, you can grant, select, insert, update. Okay, these are some DML commands. DML operations are granted to Jyoti, but in this we must have a table name. Okay, so we can grant, select, insert and update on table name to Jyoti. Okay, so it is very simple. So I am granting grant, select, comma, update. Okay, select, comma, insert, comma, update. Okay, select, comma, insert, comma, update on table name. We have table name EMP employee. Okay, so we are granting select, insert, update on table name to username. So we are granting a 3 operation: select, insert, update on a specific table employees to a Jyoti. So now Jyoti user can select, insert, update on employees table. Okay, so that is a syntax: grant, select comma insert comma update on table name employees to Jyoti. Okay, so that is a third command. We can grant specific operations to the user on the specific command. Okay, also we can grant select update on specific columns. Okay, मगाशी मी ज्योती ह्या युजरला सगळ्या टेबलवर सिलेक्ट इन्सर्ट आणि अपडेटची ग्रँट दिलेली आहे. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू हॅव ऑन द स्पेसिफिक कॉलम देन ग्रँट सिलेक्ट कॉमा अपडेट in bracket specific columns bracket complete on table name to Jyoti. Okay, so we can easily gain this type of permissions. Okay, so I am copying the same, only changing. So first we can see which columns are available in that table. So employee ID, first name, last name and salary, these are the columns. If you want to restrict the users to specific columns, then you can have a similar grant command, but you must have a specific column. If you want to select an update on specific columns, then you must specify that column. Okay, you must specify that column. Suppose I want to update or select employee ID, comma, first name, only these two columns are available for the Jyoti user for updation, okay, and selection. Then grant select comma update in bracket specific column names on table name, that is the table name is very important to Jyoti. Okay, so if you run this command, the process statement is processed. That means that a select and update, these two operations are granted on only two columns, employee ID and first name on the employees table to Jyoti user. Okay, so that is the fourth one. Then if you want to alter the password, okay, if you want to alter the password of a user Jyoti, then you can use alter user command, okay, which is similar to create user command, only alter user username identified by MIT. Previously it is MIT Poly, now it is a MIT. Okay, we can easily demonstrate this. Okay, so how to create a user? So create user. So I am copying the same statement here. Only change is that I am changing the alter keyword. Alter user Jyoti, okay, Jyoti1, and I am changing the password BSIT1. Okay, so I can easily modify previous created user, that is Jyoti1 is user already created, already Jyoti is user created. Now I am modifying Jyoti user password from BSIT to BSIT1. How? Alter user username Jyoti identified by a new password BSIT1. If I run this, so user is altered. Now Jyoti1 user has password BSIT1. So that is a modification of a password. Okay, now we can revoke the permissions. Okay, already we have granted the permission to the Jyoti. Which permission? So this is the system permission, create table, create view to the Jyoti, and we have granted a select, insert and update on the employees table to the Jyoti. Okay, if you want to revoke that permission, so only single word change to the revoke. Previously we have grant. Now I am copying the same statement, that is a grant statement, and I am modifying only single word, that is a revoke. Okay, so revoke, select, insert, update on employees table to Jyoti. Already I have granted this. Now I am revoking this. Okay, missing keyword. So which keyword is missed here? revoke on Jyoti. Okay. Okay. First, we must delete system permissions. That is the grant we have granted so if you want to revoke which permission first we can revoke create table and create view from Jyoti. Okay, so we can revoke first the system permission, revoke create table comma create view. Okay, from okay, so in last statement we have mistaken two. Grant मध्ये आपण two use करतो. Grant specific permission to username. We are revoking create table, create view from Jyoti. Now we are revoking. So statement process means the permissions are revoked. Now I am revoking select. So only change revoke select comma insert comma update on employees table from. So there is single change from. So in grant permissions on table name 2. In revoke keyword is used. Specify the permission on table from Jyoti. Okay, so from keyword is used. Now if I run, a statement is processed, means that permissions of selecting, inserting and updating on employees table is taken out, okay, from the Jyoti. Okay, then last two operations. How to create a role? To create a role, it is a specific create role and role name. So you can give any name to the role, and then a role is created. Then you can grant a specific permission to the role. Okay. So it is similar to user creation. Only change is that create role. Okay. I am giving the role student. So I am creating a role student. Now a role is created, a student role is created. So we can assign the roles. So what is the use of role? If you are creating a user and you are granting the user, if there are hundreds of users and you are individually granting and revoking the specific permission to the user, then it is quite difficult task. Then this task is very simplified using the role. You can create a role, then you can you can assign the permission to the role, and you can assign the role to the number of users together. अर्थ कळला का? म्हणजे तुमच्या वर्गामध्ये 63 मुलं आहेत, तर 63 स्टुडंट युजर क्रिएट होतील आणि इंडिव्हिज्युअली प्रत्येक युजरला ग्रँट न काही परमिशन द्यायची आणि रिवोक करणं इट इज क्वाईट टेडियस टास्क. त्यापेक्षा मी काय करेन, एक स्टुडंट नावाचा रोल तयार करेन. स्टुडंट रोल केल्यानंतर मी काय करणार, त्या स्टुडंट रोलला स्पेसिफिक परमिशन असाइन करीन अँड देन दॅट रोल विल बी असाइन टू द युजर्स. ओके, सो एकाच वेळी मल्टिपल युजर्सना मी परमिशन असाइन करू शकतो युजिंग द रोल. ओके, तर आय एम क्रिएटिंग अ रोल स्टुडंट. सो क्रिएट रोल स्टुडंट. नाउ माय टास्क इज टू असाइन अ स्पेसिफिक परमिशन टू दॅट रोल. ओके, so how to assign that permission? So grant create table and create view to the role. It is similar. So grant, select, comma, insert, comma, update. Okay, so this is a previous one. Now I'm changing grant, create table, comma, create view. Okay, I am creating view and creating table. These permissions are granted to whom? Student. Okay, student is role, and now student can able to create a table and able to create a view. The statement is processed means it is appropriate statement. Now we have created a student role, and student has the ability to create a table and create a view. Now I can assign this role to the user. How? It is very easy. Grant role name to user names. Okay, so it is a grant role name student to username Jyoti. Okay, if I want to have a multiple user, then comma Jyoti1. Okay, Jyoti1 is also a user. Okay, now these users are becoming a student type. Okay, if I run this, a statement is processed, means now Jyoti and Jyoti1, these users are in the role of student. Okay, in another simple way, if you want to manage a multiple users at a time, then you must create a role. You must assign the specific permission to role, and then you can assign the role to the number of users at a time. So to grant and to revoke individual user permissions, it is quite tedious, time consuming, that can be avoided using a creating role and granting that role to the multiple users at a time. So that is a benefit of a role creation. So we can assign a system related permissions, that is creating table, create view, DML operation like select, insert, update, okay, on specific table for the specific user. Then we can create a role, we can assign the specific permission to the role, and role can be assigned to the number of users at a time. So that is a benefit of role. Okay, so that is your experiment number 17. Also you have a task. सचिन, हे SYZ आहेत काय? SYZ का TYZ? SYZ असले तरी देऊ नको त्यांना. लेक्चर आहेत असताना ते कुठे फिरायला लागतो. ओके, आता हे काय करायचं बघा. दॅट इज युअर एक्सरसाइज. ओके, यू कॅन राईट डाउन द कमांड्स ओनली. इफ यू हॅव Oracle setup on your laptop, you can easily run that. Already we have seen this. So if you want to create a user, John, and implement the following commands on EMP and DEPT table. So you first create a table EMP and DEPT, then create user John. So John is created. Now if you want to grant the permission, grant, select, comma, insert, comma, delete on EMP, comma, DEPT to John. So that is simple. If you want to grant update permission on the specific column in the EMP table, that is the salary and salary NTS. Okay, then very simple command, grant update. Okay, grant update in bracket EMPNO, comma, salary on EMP to John. Okay, so it is the third answer. Fourth, write a query to revoke all the permissions from the EMP and DEPT table from the John. So how to revoke all the permission? Revoke, insert, comma, okay, revoke, select, comma, insert, comma, update on EMP, comma, DEPT from John. So we can revoke all the permission from the John. Then fifth answer, write a query to create a role DEPT underscore PVR. So create role DEPT underscore PVR will be creating the role. Now we can have a permission to that role. Then grant create table, comma, create view to DEPT PVR. So that creating table and creating view permission is assigned to role DEPT. Okay, so it is a similar to above exercise. Then seventh query, write a query to assign above system permission to user Jyoti and John. Okay, system permission द्यायचे आहेत कुणाला, ज्योती and John ला. तर काय अशा देणार आपण, grant create table, comma, create view to Jyoti, comma, John. Okay. Then last eighth one, write a query to assign object privileges, that is a select, insert, delete to the role DEPT PVR1. Okay. First you can create a role. Create role DEPT underscore PVR, because PVR1 is now new role. So create role DEPT underscore PVR1. So PVR1 role is created. Now grant insert, comma, delete, grant select, comma, insert, comma, delete to DEPT underscore PVR. Okay. Then if you want to assign the role to Jyoti and John, then grant DEPT underscore PVR1 to Jyoti, comma, John. So these are the 9 answers. Okay, it is similar to above exercise. So that is experiment number 17. So in this experiment, we can create a role, we can assign a system permission, and we can assign an object permission. If you want to assign a specific permission on the specific column, then you must enlist that columns. Okay, like grant select, comma, update in bracket DEPT NO, comma, AMPNO on department to the Jyoti. Okay, if you want to assign the specific permission for the specific column in the table. Okay, so syntax are very important. There may be a MCQ questions in the class test too also, or there must be a final question paper. There must be a question on the create user, create role, grant and revoke command. So these are the DCL command, data control commands. Using that we can create a role, we can create a user, we can assign a permission, we can revoke the permission. Okay, so if you want to do this, you must have a administrative facility. Okay, आता मी काय करतो, आपण ज्योती हा नावाचा एक युजर क्रिएट केलता, तो क्रिएट झालाय का नाही हे कसं फाइंड आउट करणार, तर इट इज क्वाइट सिंपल. ऑलरेडी आय हॅव लॉग इन ॲज अ ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटर. हे सगळं टास्क कधी करता येईल, ज्यावेळी तुम्ही ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटर आहात त्यावेळीच. अदरवाईज यू कॅनॉट हॅव दिस परमिशन्स. ओके, सो ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटर you can easily manage different things. Okay, last 10 minutes. So utilities, objects, all objects, the user is also object. So these are the all the objects already created. If I want to log in with Jyoti, then login Jyoti, and I have changed the password na, BSIT. Okay, so now I have logged in with the username Jyoti. So Jyoti user is created, so that will be a user created. Okay, previously I have logged with a system, that is an administrator account and password. Okay, if you want to create a user and if you want to create a role, you must be an administrative user. Then and then you can create a user, and then you can easily add a user. So users already created, and these are the demonstration of users. So Jyoti is created, Jyoti1 is created, HR is already default user is there. So if you click on the Jyoti, then in GUI, you can change the password, you can confirm that password, and you can have a role. So these are the system roles: connect, resource, and DBA, that is a database administrator, and these are a system privileges. So create database link, create public synonym, create type. Okay, so it is a facility available if you are the administrator, and you can directly manage the users from the home administrator, manage the database users, and GUI is there. If you click on the drop, then user will be dropped. If you click on the alter, you can easily alter the user. So you can change the user password here. Okay, you can lock or unlock the user account. You can have the expiry feature of your password. So it is quite easy to create a user in the administrator. Okay, so if you are the administrator, then you can easily access that. So there are 16 user, internal users are 12, and 4 users are database users. Okay, so these are the 4 users which are the database user. If you click on the create, that will open a new window. Using that, you can create a user. So you can have a username, you can have a password. Okay, so by default, a temporary table users and TMT is a temporary table which is assigned to that user. Okay, so it is quite easy to create user without passwords or without the commands in the GUI. Okay, Oracle 10G or 11G, you have that facility in the GUI. You can click on the users, you can have all this type of facility. You can create, you can click on the specific user, you can open that user, and you can modify, you can change the permissions also. So these are the role permissions, and these are the some privileges. Okay, so it is quite easy. You can demonstrate this, and you can solve this exercise and submit your experiment number 17. Okay, in next practical, next and last video, which is on the trigger. आपण पुढच्या उद्या जो 11 वाजता सेशन घेणार आहे, त्यामध्ये आपण ट्रिगर परत एकदा डिस्कस करू. ऑलरेडी मी एक ट्रिगरचं सिंपल एक्झाम्पल दिलेलं आहे कस्टमर टेबलवर. तेच एक्झाम्पल एकदा घेऊ, अजून एक छोटंसं एक्झाम्पल घेऊ, आणि आफ्टर अँड बिफोर ट्रिगर करून बघू. ओके, सो दॅट इज द एंड फ्रॉम माय साइड. प्रॅक्टिकल 17 प्रॅक्टिकल आपले झालेले आहेत, फक्त 16 आपण रिपीट करणार आहे. 22 users are only log in to this session, and 22 users manual will be checked. Remaining, there is no chance to have a completion of experiment number 17. I can put the 0 marks in front of that 70 number experiment. Okay, so it is quite easy task for me to give the specific marks to specific user who is sincere, who is appropriate, can get the maximum marks. Who is not interested in any type of teaching learning activity, so he cannot get any marks. Okay, very simple. If you have any query, you can ask. If you have any query, you can ask. Okay, so solve these 9 questions, and that will be end of your experiment number 17. Okay, it is quite simple. If you read this above statements, these are the 9 statements which are given to us to create a user, Jyoti, and relevant we have. So it is directly answers are given. Only modification is we can change the name John, and you can change the name, table name, EMP and DEPT. So anyone who has a primary knowledge about the create user and create role can do this exercise within the 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, anything which is problematic or which is not understood by the user, you can ask. काय असेल शंका तर विचारा. We have only 4 minutes.
Sir, revoke statement एकदा सांगा.
Okay, if you want to revoke the permissions from the any type of user, okay, आपण grantच्या वेळी काय करतो, so we have 2 types of permissions, a system related permission, grant create table comma create view to the Jyoti. Now Jyoti has the permission of creating a table and creating view. If you want to revoke means you are disallowing the certain permission. त्याला ज्या परमिशन दिलेल्या आहेत त्या आपल्याला काय करायचे आहेत, डिनाय करायचे आहेत. देन वी हॅव कमांड रिव्होक. कुठल्या परमिशन रिव्होक करायचे आहेत, तर क्रिएट टेबल ओके कॉमा क्रिएट व्ह्यू फ्रॉम ज्योती. ओके, रिव्होक करताना कीवर्ड चेंज होतो, ग्रँडच्या ठिकाणी रिव्होक येतो आणि टूच्या ठिकाणी फ्रॉम, देताना टू आणि घेताना फ्रॉम. ओके, इट इज क्वाइट सिम्पल. ओके, एनिथिंग एल्स? Okay, why we are creating a role is very important, because we can create a role, we can assign the specific permission to role, and then we can assign the role to the number of user at a time. So there is no need to manage an individual user. Okay, bulk users are managed or get a permissions or get a role. Okay, so that is very important. So anything else? काही प्रॉब्लेम असतील तर विचारा. We are repeating only experiment number 16 in the next session. Already we have discussed experiment number 16, and with single problem, the customer problem, we can have that type of program, but there are some confusions. Some statements are not executed in that session, so we can have a session, separate session for the experiment number 16. परत एकदा आपण तो 16वा एक्सपेरिमेंट करून बघूया, एक छोटासा प्रॉब्लेम घेऊन, and that will be clear your concept of a trigger. ओके, अजून काय आहेत? If you understand, so no problem, no issues. If you have a problem, you can ask last 1 minute, and then session will be automatically closed. Okay, and one another information, already I have given you a time limit. You must submit your proposal before the 7th January, and you must submit your final report before the 18th January. Okay, 18, 19, 20, 18, 19, 20 we have class test. If you have not submitted your micro project report, I will disallow for the class test 2 also. Okay, already I have given you enough time, near about 3 weeks, near about 4 weeks. So if you are not submitting, it will indicate that you does not deserve the marks or you does not deserve anything. Okay, so pass the message to the absent student. Near about 40 students are absent for this session. They forget about the term work about this experiment. 17वा experiment जे बाकी जे absent आहेत त्यांनी विसरावं. There is no need. जर त्यांना गरज नसेल तर मी पण मार्क देऊ शकत नाही. पण सेशनला जर तुम्ही कनेक्टेडच नसाल तर ते मार्क कसे मिळणार? ओके, the same video will be uploaded on the Junumio. They can watch this video and they can have the same message. Okay, the session will be automatically terminated within the few seconds. Anything else? अजून काही प्रॉब्लेम आहेत का?